In our previous video, we studied how to calculate the chemical shift of alkanes. In this video, we will be going through alkenes. Now, the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the alkene substituted only by the alkyl group. It absorbs in the range 110 to 150 ppm downfield from tetramethylsilane. And you have to see whether the substituents they are on the same end of the double bond as the olefinic carbon of interest. Then the substituents they will be named alpha, beta, gamma. And if they are on the substituents they are on the opposite side or far side, then they will be treated as alpha dash, beta dash and gamma dash. These are the shift parameters. Alpha will be given the value 10.6, beta is given the value 7 plus 7.2, gamma is given the value minus 1.5. Alpha dash will be given the value minus 7.9, beta dash minus 1.8, and gamma dash is given the value minus 1.5. Besides that, there is a cis correction which is minus 1.1. Now these parameters they will be added to 123.3. That is the shift for ethylene. Let us understand this with an example. This compound is cis 3-methyl 2-pentene. Let us calculate the chemical shift value for this compound, that is cis 3-methyl 2-pentene. So to 123.3 the parameter will be added. So for this, with respect to this carbon, this 2 carbon they are alpha and this carbon will be beta, and opposite to this double bond this carbon will be alpha dash. So 123.3 plus, since 2 alpha carbons are there, so 2 into alpha value is 10.6, so 10.6 plus 1 beta is there, so 1 into beta value is 7.2, so 7.2 plus 1 into this is alpha dash, so alpha dash value is minus 7.9, so 7.9 I have taken, and this is the cis correction since the two substituents they are on the same side. So on calculating this carbon is showing the chemical shift value of 142.7 ppm. Now we will be calculating the chemical shift value for this carbon, that is carbon number 2. If you see carbon number 2, now with respect to this, it will be, this carbon will be alpha. So there will be 1 alpha. And this 2 carbon, they will be alpha dash. So you will be taking alpha dash, and this will be beta dash. So you will be taking beta dash and cis correction. It will be 123.3 plus 1 into alpha value, that is 10.6, plus 2 into alpha dash value, that is minus 7.9, and 1 into beta dash value and the cis correction, it comes to be 115.2 ppm. This is how for different carbon chemical shift value will be calculated. So you have to see if the substituents they are on the same side of the carbon whose chemical shift you are calculating, you will be taking it as alpha, beta, gamma, and if they are on the opposite side you will be taking it as alpha dash, beta dash and gamma dash. Now let us see for the alkynes. The sp carbon of alkyne substituted only by the alkyl group, it absorbs in the range of 65 to 90 ppm, and the triple bond will shift the sp3 carbon atom directly attached by about 5 to 15 ppm upfield relative to the corresponding alkane, and moreover the terminal CH bond it will absorb upfield from the internal CR, and if a polar group is attached then it will be absorbing at somewhat between 20 to 95 ppm, as you can see in this example. This table is showing the alkyne chemical shift value of various compounds like 1-butene. In 1-butene, C1 will show chemical shift at 67, C2 at 84.7, 2-butene will show at 73.6, 1-hexene, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the chemical shift value of 1-hexene. In 2-hexene, this will be the chemical shift value. In 3-hexene, this will be the chemical shift value. So in this also, the base value we will take plus the parameters. Now let us talk about the chemical shift value of the aromatic compounds. The benzene carbon atom, it absorbs at 128.5. So this with the base value, and besides this you will be adding the substituents. Now different substituents, they will have different values. Like methyl substituent, if you are taking, so at C1 the value will be 8.9, C2 0.7, C3 0.1, C4 minus 2.9, and carbon of the substituent will have the value 21.3. Similarly, ethyl is there with different values, 15.6, minus 0.5, 0, 2.6, and the carbon of the substituent, that is ethyl, that is CH2, CH3, that will show this value. One more example I can take with OH. It is showing different values, 26.9, minus 12.7, plus 1.4, minus 7.3, and so on. Now let us talk about the heteroatoms like alcohols, ether, halides, amines. So they will be showing different chemical shift values. So in alcohols, OH substitution in an alkane, it will cause a shift of 35 to 52 ppm for carbon 1, 5 to 12 ppm for carbon 2, and upfield shift of about 0 to 6 ppm for carbon 3. So this is based on that shift value. These are the chemical shift value which is calculated for carbon 1 and 2. Similarly, ethers, they cause very large downward shift at carbon 1 and as compared to OH group. So in ether, if you compare, you are getting the value 67.9 and 17.6 for the carbon 2. Similarly, halides, the effect of halide substitution is very complex. A single fluorine atom, for example in CH3F, it causes a large downfield shift from CH4. Now let us talk about amines. NH2 group, which is attached to alkyl chain, it will cause a downfield shift of about 30 ppm at carbon 1 and 11 ppm at carbon 2, and upfield shift of 4 ppm at carbon 3.